This face mask is safe enough. It contains safe ingredients that you can use every day for as long as you want till you get your results. You can also decide to use it twice in a week or thrice in a week. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple DIY turmeric face mask at home to get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So I have a previous video where I talked about how I used turmeric face masks for 7 days to get rid of my dark spots, and today's video is going to be like an upgraded version of that video because I have a new ingredient in my turmeric face mask and I want to share it with you because it works. So for this mask, we are going to be needing turmeric, which is like the main ingredient of the mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, it is also an antioxidant, and it contains antibacterial properties as well that help to soothe the skin and gradually fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. We are also going to be needing honey. Yes, I have my raw honey in here. Honey is a natural humectant. It helps to moisturize the skin. It also deeply nourishes the skin. Now, for the added ingredients, we are going to be using Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt or unsweetened yogurt. Now, the benefits of Greek yogurt is numerous, very numerous. But one of the many benefits for Greek yogurt to the skin is that it is very high in protein and fiber, and it helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, thereby reducing the signs of aging. Yes, so let's prepare our face mask. I have my bowl in which I'm going to be mixing the mask into. So I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric to my bowl. I'm going to be adding enough honey, just enough honey to make a smooth paste, and then I'm going to be mixing in my yogurt as well, just to form a smooth paste, not too thick and not too watery. So after mixing that, I already have my paste. This is what it's looking like. So after mixing that, I'm going to apply it to my face and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Yes, leave it on. Let it work very well. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off. So let me apply it on my face. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave this to sit for like 30 minutes, and bear in mind that you can use this face mask every day. Yes, this face mask is safe enough. It contains safe ingredients that you can use every day for as long as you want till you get your results. You can also decide to use it twice in a week or thrice in a week. It's also very safe for you to use under your eyes. It can also lighten dark circle if you have dark circle. Yes, also it stains, so you have to be very very careful. It can stain your clothes, it can stain your white tiles, it can stain, even it can even leave a tint on your face, like a yellow tint that will just stay for a few days or few hours. It can also stain your fingertips. So I'm going to be leaving it for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've rinsed my face and applied my moisturizer, and do not forget, consistency is key. With using natural ingredients, you can't expect to see a result in 1 week. You can't expect to see a result in few days, so you have to be consistent. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and share, and I'm going to see you in my next video.